So our fold-out display bench here, we worked on it together with a local grower. Todd and ourselves here, we came up with this idea on how to use a 3-tier bench by using standard shelves from our shipping racks. So what I've done here is the top shelf, I've put it on a tilt there. You can see the upper notches on it here, so it gives you more of a display look than yet as well. And then I also put in the hanging basket bar up here where you can put your hanging baskets on yet. So the bench is made, designed like this to help out with floor space. It's 8 feet tall. Like I said, this is a 59-inch version. You can also get a 53-inch shelves with it. And now the ideal thing about this is if you had 2 of these benches, put one over there, there are slots on the side here where you can add 3 shelves. Basically you bought 2 of them, but you got 3 extra shelves. Now you got 3 benches here. And you can also put them back to back if you want.